Hey, what's going on everyone? My name is Cole Kakamas and welcome back to my channel. When I was upgrading my desk setup, something that I was really looking for was a pair of speakers that would really match the rest of my aesthetic while still being very functional. That's when I came across the Audioengine A2 wireless speakers. If I'm being completely honest, when I bought these, it was completely for aesthetics. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't think that I was gonna use these things anywhere near as much as I do because I was just so accustomed to wearing my AirPods. Now, I do wear them here and there, but for the most part, every single day, I use these bad boys. So starting off the design, they look great. They're super small and compact, but don't be fooled, these things pack a punch. The clean white finish fits extremely well with my setup. Now you can pick them up in a black or red color, but in my opinion, I think the white is just the best option. It's sporting a boxy design, but with curved corners, which I really like. Next to the monitor, these things look amazing. Audioengine sells these little DS1 desktop stands so that you can elevate the speakers more towards your ears so you have that more studio sound experience. Not only this, but it also reduces vibrations on the desk, especially when you're playing louder music. For 30 bucks, they make them look great and are functional, so I think it's worth the purchase. The speakers themselves have dimensions of 6 by 4 inches, the left one weighs 3.6 pounds, and then the right one weighs 3.2 pounds, but I'll get into why this is in just a minute. They feel very high quality and can definitely hold up for years to come. I've had mine for over 8 months and they look and feel good as new. These speakers have Bluetooth 5.1 technology, which allows them to connect to any device you have, whether that be a phone, tablet, computer, etc. What's different with 5.1 is it offers extended range and a 30 millisecond latency, meaning that your video and audio is always going to be synced up. A feature I found cool is this auto sleep mode, which basically will cut the circuit whenever you stop playing music, thus saving you power. What this also means is that you're not going to have any issues if you have these speakers on all the time. Setting them up for the first time is quite easy. You just have to plug them in, connect the 2-meter wire into each of the speakers, turn them on, and then you're ready to pair. The left speaker is active, meaning it has a built-in power amplifier, and so you only have to be connected to a power source or battery for it to work, whereas with the right speaker, which is passive, you actually need to connect to that external power source. That's why the two have to be connected by the wire, and the left is heavier because it has all that extra stuff in it. This is probably me, but for some reason, I always have the hardest time trying to change sources. I have 3 different devices connected to the speakers, my iPhone, MacBook, and then the custom PC, and so sometimes when trying to switch the sources, it'll just straight out refuse to connect, and I'll have to sit there for 5 minutes fiddling around with the power, switching it on and off, messing with the pair button. It's a pain in the butt. I don't understand why it happens. It's probably me just not doing something correctly, but other than that, no issues when it comes to staying connected. While I did buy these speakers a lot because of their aesthetics, they do really sound good. Like I mentioned earlier, these things are very small, but don't be fooled, they can get extremely loud. The two work together to create a very clear and crisp sound. They can easily fill up a room, which I'm a very big fan of, because I can turn on music or a podcast while I'm cleaning, heading to bed, or just working out, and it's really nice. You know, I'm not an audiophile, but honestly, these are the best speakers that I've ever heard. They have a built-in DAC, which is a converter that pretty much takes the digital audio from your computer, which generally isn't like the highest quality, and turns it into analog, which is significantly better. The sound is really great, but unfortunately, it really does lack bass. There is no subwoofer included, so that will be something we have to buy separately. Audioengine sells their own, but it's like $350, which honestly, I think that there is a lot of better options at a lower price that you could probably find. I know it won't do it justice, but this couldn't be a speaker review without a sound test. So I'll play you guys a quick clip from, in my opinion, one of the best tech YouTubers out there. Let me just, there we go. Sounds pretty good.
Hey, what is up everyone?
Oh, what the hell? How'd that get there?
Welcome to my channel.
No, I'm just kidding, but here's the real sound test. The Audioengine A2 speakers come in at $269, which isn't exactly cheap, but I wouldn't say it's outrageous for everything that you get. They offer a great rich sound, which is compatible with other gadgets. They've honestly met all my needs, but I think I might consider purchasing a subwoofer in the future just because the bass is pretty poor. If you'd like to check these speakers out for yourself, I've left links for the US, UK, and Canada down in the description below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed and want to see more tech content from me in the very near future, be sure to drop a like, subscribe with bell notifications so you're notified next time I upload. Thank you and take care.